Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today, I'm clearly not unboxing anything. Today, I'm looking back at the 25 years that I've had in this industry, at some of the things that have inspired me, and drilled into the core reason that I established the unboxing channel, which was to share with you some of the things that inspired me. Most of them were new, some of them were really kind of awesome. And here's an example. A Blu-ray player. Now, in the age of streaming content and Netflix and televisions and internets and Wi-Fi and network crashes and all of these types of things, I think we've forgotten some of the most brilliant and immersive experiences that we've had off a disc-based format, or how good these 4K discs really are. Now, look, here's a couple of examples. Planet Earth, I think that's Planet Earth 2 actually. This is a stunning BBC documentary with David Attenborough. The images and photography are absolutely stunning. The immersive picture is just second to none, and there is nothing streamed on this planet that will look like the disc-based format. The same goes for the entertainment, the true entertainment value of some of these masterpieces of cinema, like Dune. Dune 2 is coming out, great, I want to go and see that, but you see these massive panning shots, you see these close-ups and the eyes light up, you see all manner of things, every fleck of dust, every grain of sand, every little hair that's strayed off. Everything is so much clearer and more beautiful off a 4K disc than anything that is streamed. And please, you don't have to believe me. You can Google the reviews, you can do it in your own home, you can find a disc, you can buy one that has the 4K and Blu-ray, because the 4K streamed is bettered by even just the Blu-ray, and 4K again. Nevertheless, when I started in the industry, Laserdiscs were just sort of coming to an end of their lifespan, and we saw the first DVD players. DVD rentals were virtually impossible to get your hands on, and when you did, you had to suffer through the fact that often the discs were in a wrong zone or an NTSC and all sorts of things that over the decades have been brilliantly ironed out. And what I mean by not just ironed out, but taken to an extreme. HDR 4K content is utterly stunning, and with that completely uncompressed Dolby Master Audio, 7.1 channels are available, Atmos is available, all of these truly inspiring audio formats to back up how good the picture is as well. Now, bearing in mind that the disc players themselves aren't expensive, but for obvious reasons. I mean, certainly this one, right? I mean, it's award-winning, What Hi-Fi love it. It's absolutely perfect for the disc-based formats, and the UB9000 beneath it, that's the 820. UB9000, which is more of a comprehensive universal disc player. These are for the connoisseurs. This is for people who are going to own their favourite movies. Think Top Gun, think everything you would love to see again, or those favourite scenes. That's where the discs come in. If you're just looking for something to do for 20 minutes and watch an episode of something, that's fine. Netflix is great for that. But you're missing out if you don't revisit a disc-based format in your home. So hence, I wanted to share my passion, I guess, for these disc-based players with two of the pinnacles, budget and high-end Blu-ray players, reminding us all about the Blu-ray discs that we used to own, the DVDs before that, and perhaps even the Laserdiscs before that. So there we are, celebrating 25 years in the industry by, again, talking about how good a physical disc format can be. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.